Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. In Android development, you often work with collections of data such as lists. An arraylist is a resizable array implementation of the list interface. It is commonly used for storing data because it provides flexibility in size, allows duplicates, and maintains the order of insertion. ###tutorial, converting a list to an array list in Android. Step 1, setting up your Android project. 1. Open Android Studio and create a new project. 2. Choose an empty activity and configure your project settings, name, package name, etc. Step 2, add dependencies, if needed. If you're using any specific libraries, like json for JSON data, make sure to add them in your build.gradle file. For basic usage, no additional dependencies are required. Step 3, create a sample data class. Create a simple data class that you will use for your list. For example, let's create a user class. Step 4, convert a list to an array list. Now, let's see how to convert a list to an array list. In your main activity, you can do the following. Explanation of the code. 1. Creating a list, we use arrays.asList, to create a fixed size list of user objects. 2. Converting to array list, we create a new array list by passing the list to its constructor. This creates a resizable array containing the same elements as the original list. 3. Using the array list, we can now iterate over the user array list and access its elements. Step 5, running the app. 1. Connect your Android device or start an emulator. 2. Run the app from Android Studio. 3. You should see the output in the logcat showing the names and ages of the users. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you learned how to convert a list to an array list in an Android application. This is a common task when you need the flexibility of an array list while starting with a list. You can use this approach in various scenarios, such as when fetching data from a database or an API. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask.